today we will be looking at the 100 useful French verbs and adjectives. Let's start from the 100 useful verbs. Acheter, to buy. J'achetais, I buy. J'ai acheté, I bought. J'achetais, I will buy. Aider, to help. J'aidais, I help. J'ai aidé, I helped. J'aidais, I will help. Aller, to go. Je vais, I go. Je suis allé, I went. J'allais, I will go. Amener, to bring. J'amenais, I bring. J'ai amené, I brought. J'amenais, I will bring. Apporter, to bring. J'apportais, I bring. J'ai apporté, I bring. J'apportais, I will bring. Apprendre, to learn. J'apprends is I learn. J'ai appris is I learned. J'apprenais is I will learn. Arriver, to arrive. Okay, so now that we know the, if we go up, we can see the first one is the present tense. The second is the past, and the last is the imperfect. So instead of me telling you them, we'll just say them, and I won't tell you if they're past or anything, because I think you'll be able to know. So where are we? We were at arriver, j'arrive, je suis arrive, j'arrivais. Attendre, to wait, j'attends, attendu, j'attendais. Avoir, to have, j'ai, eux, j'avais. Bavarder, to chat. Je bavarde, j'ai bavardé, je bavardais. Boire, to drink. Je bois, j'ai bu, je buvais. Changer, to change. Je change, j'ai changé, je changeais. Chanter, to sing. Je chante. J'ai chanté, je chantais. Chercher, to look for. Je cherche, j'ai cherché, je cherchais. Very hard one to say. Commander, to order. Je commande, j'ai commandé, je commandais. Commencer, to start. Je commence, j'ai commence, je commençais. Comprendre, to understand. Je comprends, j'ai compris, je comprenais. Conduire. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Is it conduire? Conduire. I don't know how to drive. Je conduis, j'ai conduit. Let's see how it's pronounced. Because we're still learning. So to drive is pronounced.
Conduire.
Okay, conduire. Connaître, to know. Je connais, j'ai connu, je connaissais. Courir, to run. Je cours, j'ai couru, je courais. Croire, to believe. Je crois, j'ai cru, je croyais. Cuisiner, to cook. Je cuisine, j'ai cuisiné, je cuisinais. Danser, to dance. Je danse, j'ai dansé, je dansais. Décider, to decide. Je décide, j'ai décidé, je décidais. Demander, to ask. Je demande, j'ai demandé, je demandais. Déménager, to move house. Je déménage, j'ai déménagé, je déménageais. Dépenser, to spend. Je dépense, j'ai dépensé, je dépensais. Descendre, to go down. Je descends, je suis descendu, je descendais. Dire, to say. Je dis, je disais. Donner, to give. Je donne, j'ai donné, je donnais. Dormir, to sleep. Je dors, j'ai dormi, je dormais. So, let's see how many we got left. Okay, no, that's not bad. Okay. So, we'll still say the past, present, and the future. So, écouter, to listen. J'écoute, j'écoutais, j'écoutais. Écrire, to write. J'écris, j'ai écrit, j'écrivais. Enlever, to remove. J'enlève, j'ai enlevé, j'enlevais. Sorry about the noise in the background. Entendre, to hear. J'entends, j'ai entendu, j'entendais. Envoyer. J'envoie, j'envoyais, j'envoyais. Essayer. J'essaie, j'ai essayé, j'essayais. Être, to be. Je suis, j'ai été, j'étais. Étudier, to study. J'étudie, j'ai étudié, j'étudie. Faire, to make or to do. Je fais, j'ai fait, je faisais. It's a bit loud. Fermer, to close. Je ferme, j'ai fermé, je fermais. Finir, to finish. Je finis, j'ai fini, je finissais. That sounds going to be really annoying, but I can't move anywhere else because the snow outside's very cold and I'm in the room with the heating on. And if I go upstairs, there's people sleeping and talking, so I'm just gonna have to put with this one. Mettre avec cette. Have you done fermer, to close? Je ferme, je fermais, je fermais. Finir is to finish. Je finis, j'ai fini, je finissais. Gagner, to win or to earn. Je gagnais, j'ai gagné, je gagnais. Gaspiller, to waste. Je gaspille, je gaspillais, je gaspillais. Okay? You can see that with the second column is the past. Okay, you can see with the past it normally or sometimes sounds like the future one. So with goûter we have je goûte, j'ai goûté, and je goûtais. Okay, sounds almost similar. Habiter, to live. J'habite, j'habitais, j'habitais. Introduire, to introduce. J'introduis, j'ai introduit, j'introduisais. That was a hard one. Inviter, to invite. J'invite, j'ai invité, j'invitais. Jouer, to play. Je joue, j'ai joué, je jouais. Lasser is to leave. Je lasse, j'ai lassé, je lassais. Laver, to wash. Je lave, j'ai lavé, and je lavais. I'll speak a little bit louder. Lire, to read. Je lis, j'ai lu, je lisais. Manger, to eat. Je mange, j'ai mangé, je mangeais. Marcher, to walk. Je marche, j'ai marché, je marchais. Mettre, to put or to turn on. Je mets, j'ai mis, je mettais. Monter, to go up. Je monte, je suis monté, je montais. Nettoyer, to clean. Je nettoie, je nettoyais, je nettoyais. Obtenir, to get or to obtain. J'obtiens, j'ai obtenu, j'obtenais. Oublier, to forget. J'oublie, je oublie, j'oubliais. The first one sounds like t'oublie, j'oublie. Ouvrir, to open or to turn on. J'ouvre, j'ai ouvert, j'ouvrais. Partir, to leave, to go out. Je pars, je suis parti, je partais. Okay? Now don't mistake this to be, when I say partir, don't think I'm saying to leave. To leave or to go out. There's another word which is P-A-R-T-E, said, which means to start or to go. Okay, to go, basically. Parler, to speak. Je parlais. J'ai parlé. Je parlais. Passer. To pass. To spend. To happen. Je passe. Je suis ou j'ai passé. Je passais. How close are we? Okay, for now we'll just say that we won't say the past, present, or future. So where were we? Okay. Payer, to pay. Penser, to think. Perdre, to lose. Porter, to carry or to wear. Prendre, to take. Préparer, to prepare. Quitter, to leave a place or a person. Recevoir, to receive. Recommander, recommend. Regarder, to watch. Remplir, to fill. Rendre visita, to visit person or normally a person. Repérer, to repair. Répondre, to answer. Rester, to stay. Retourner, to return. Savoir, to know a fact. Se coucher, to go to bed. Se laver, to wash. Se lever, to get up. Se reposer, to rest. Se souvenir, to remember. Signer, to sign. S'inquiéter, to worry. Suivre, to follow. To find is trouver. To sit is s'asseoir. Wait, what? S'asseoir, I think. Tomber is to fall. Travailler, to work. Utiliser, to use. Vendre, to sell. Venir, to come. Visiter, to visit. Voyager, to travel. Vouloir, to want. And voir, to see. So we've done our 100 adjectives, which took us 12 minutes. And if we carried on doing the past, present, and that, it might have took us about 15 or something. So let's go to the 100 verbs. Now these are verbs to describe where you live, what your house looks like, and things like that. Okay, so the first one, you might not be able to see it. It's aéroport, airport. Corté, area in town. Galerie d'art, art gallery. Boulangerie, or boulangerie, I mean. Bakery, bank, bar, bar. Plage, beach. Chambre d'eau, bed and breakfast. Bowling is bowling. Pont is bridge. Béton, building. Gare routière, bus or coach station. Arrêt de bus, bus stop, the bus, maybe. Commence, business. Boucherie, butcher shop. Café. Camping, camping. Parking, car park. Château, castle. Cathédrale, cathedral. Église, church, so église, church. And with cathedral, the French tend to say it's not cathedral. They tend to say cathedral. So if we find that out, cathedral is normally pronounced as cathedral, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Cathedral.
Cathédrale.
Yeah, cathedral. So we can see as the H is not pronounced. So we're on cinema, carrefour, crossroads, piste cyclable, cycling, grand magasin, department store, discothèque, disco, magasin d'électroménager, that was hard. Electrical goods, it does not mean electrical heat, as I said. D'électroménager. Usine, factory. Station service, petrol station. Épicerie, grocer's shop. Hôpital, hospital. Hypermarché, hypermarket, what's that? Patinoire, ice rink. Piscine couvert, indoor swimming pool. Lac, lake. Centre de loisirs, leisure center. Bibliothèque, library. Marché, market. Monument, monument. Kiosque à journaux, newspaper store. Boîte de nuit, nightclub. It basically means a night box. bureau, office, palais, palace, jardin, park, terrain, playground, terrain, commissariat, PlayStation, port, port, post, post office, gîte, rented cottage, rivière, river, rue, road, rue, street, magasin, shop, centre commercial, shopping center, centre sportif, sports complex, stade, stadium, gare, station, supermarché, supermarket, court de tennis, tennis court, théâtre, theatre, office de tourisme, tourist office, bourget de jeunesse, youth hostel. Now let's just look at, oh, we can't see these, we'll just say these out. Jusqu'à, continuer, traverser, aller tout droit, c'est à 100 mètres, strépéré, prenez la première rue à gauche, prenez la deuxième rue à droite. Okay, I think I'll be able to translate these. The first one, as far as, continue, cross, go straight, it's 100 meters away, it's very close. Take the first road on the left, take the second road on the right, prenez la troisième rue à gauche, take the third road on the left, tournez à droite, turn right, où est l'église, where is the church, où sont les monuments, where are the monuments. So, beau ou belle, grand, calme, culturel, historique, industriel, animé, tranquille, pittoresque, petit, touristique, beautiful, big, calm, cultural, historic, industrial, lively, peaceful, picturesque, small, and tourist. There are the 100 adjectives and verbs, useful ones. So comment down below what you want to see next. Au revoir. Bisous, bisous.